This is how you make a small crate for the protein skimmer to stand at the right height. You got, part of the 8 grade. I cut it with the saw to have precision, and then I put a little piece of plexiglass on the top for a very flat, smooth surface with some holes bored in, 1/4-inch holes. And glue does not hold this. My friend tried glue. I tried glue. It didn't hold, but the zip ties are fantastic. Structurally, it's very, very strong as you put your weight on it. So we are going to look and see how well I hit the height, but it's going to go there, right? It's going to go there like that, like so. And basically the protein simmer is going to sit there because I had this ugly piece of Tupperware in there, and I didn't like it. So it's going to be hopefully at the right water level line. So this was just some scrap my friend gave me. Simple DIY, 1 hour's worth of work. You need a step further. So I put because this is, you don't want to waste real estate, I figured I'd put another plexiglass on the bottom in order to put the bacterial balls in there. So what that's going to do is, as I set it down, okay, it's going to take the weight and perfectly land it down. And it's a lot cleaner than it was before. See that? Because you don't have balls all over the place and it's disorganized, and it's just clean. If I want to fill it up, I'm going to fill it up with more balls later. And you just take out the zip ties, put in new zip ties, and it works perfectly. So then we're going to reinsert the protein skimmer back, and as you could see, it sits perfectly. It sits perfectly in there. And it was a really, really easy 1.5 hour DIY project to perfection. And it looks very neat, very organized. I got room for other stuff that I want to put here if I want. You got the heater and you got the protein skimmer. And I'm going to put the top on it. So let's put the top on it. Run it back here again. And then right, set the valve. Oh, wrong side. So now we put this back in there, and then we put the head, and it's perfect. Okay, as you can see, this was a very successful. I love it. The crate gives it so that the bacteria can actually get the water, and it has a plexig top, 16th inch on top and bottom. Very cheap, very easy to make, just from leftover crate that my friend gave me. Awesome. You see, the protein skimmer has been a great success, and so by creating a small area where we can contain the bacterial bioballs, they're seeded and they're able to create more bacteria. And rather than wasting the space, I was not going to put anything in there, but then I realized that, in a compact area, you basically want to take advantage of that real estate. So every time you think about something to improve in your system, always make sure that you are efficient and effective in improving your real estate inside your sump, because there's not a lot of space in there. So keep it clean. Don't let any sediment build up on the bottom, and you can create something like that very quick within an hour and a half, and it's actually going to help your system improve. As you can see, I have a lot of bars, biological bacterial bars, and I have a few more, and I'm going to fill it up later when I buy more. It's a great way to economize and keep everything nice and tidy in that space inside there. And at the same time, it's a stand that holds your protein skimmer. All right, talk to you later. And don't forget to download the REEFTEKLAB journal for precision. Remember, you gotta have a system in your tank in order to be able to be successful. This is Rick, the founder of REEFTEKLAB. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate it.